Hello and welcome to KSGIndia.com. We are here to talk about China successfully launches 9 satellites. China successfully launched on 15 September 2020 solid propellant carrier rocket from a ship in the Yellow Sea, sending 9 satellites into orbit in the second such sea-based launch mission. The Long March 11 HY2, the 10th member of the Long March 11 family, blasted off from the Debo 3, a self-propelled barge that was modified for the mission. The 9 satellites belong to the Jilin 1 Gaofin 03 1 group traveling 535 kilometers. It has deployed 9 Jilin 1 high-resolution Earth observation satellites, 3 to take videos, 6 to take photographs in sun-synchronous orbit. Each of the satellites developed by Changguang Satellite Technology in Changchun, Jilin Province, weighs about 42 kg. They will provide remote sensing services to users in field such as agriculture, forestry, land resources and environmental protection. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos.